Good evening. This is a major international development unfolding on February 28, 2026. Early today, the United States and Israel launched a coordinated military operation against the Islamic Republic of Iran, striking multiple targets in Tehran and other cities as part of what the Pentagon has referred to as a significant combat action. According to official statements, the offensive, described by U.S. and Israeli leaders as intended to neutralize perceived threats from Iran's missile and nuclear programs and pressure the current Iranian regime, involved missile and airstrikes on strategic military and governmental sites. Explosions were widely reported across Iran, with sirens blaring and emergency responses underway. In response, Iranian forces have launched retaliatory strikes targeting U.S. military bases and partner installations in the broader Middle East, including in Gulf states, further escalating tensions across the region. International reactions are pouring in. Russia's foreign ministry strongly condemned the attack, calling it an unprovoked act of aggression and urging an immediate return to diplomatic negotiations, while European leaders expressed deep concern, warning that further escalation could threaten regional and global stability. Meanwhile, Ukraine's government has voiced support for the U.S.-led strikes, distinguishing between the Iranian people and Tehran's regime, and emphasizing that diplomatic solutions remain preferable if possible. This remains a rapidly evolving situation. As global leaders call for restraint and citizens in the region seek safety, the international community watches closely. Stay with us for continuing updates on this developing story.